One. Hey guys, Ben here, and today I join you in my living room with all the curtains to talk about some of the worst crash tests of all time, because who doesn't love death? But hey, this is a follow-up to my previous video. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. It focuses mainly on the Euro NCAP and global NCAP tests, so mainly European mainly European releases with a few other ones. This one's going to be more focused on IIHS and North American releases of cars. And also, it seems the sweet spot that I found is in between mid-90s and mid-2000s, so they're mainly in that time frame. But first up, we've got the 95 to 99 Dodge Neon, which I've heard mixed things about. Because people didn't really seem to like it. Apart from the SRT one, apparently that one was alright. But hey, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a reaction thing to these. I've got them queued up on my laptop over here. Let's have a look at this. 3, 2, 1. Alright, nothing yet. Okay, that thing's barreling. IIHS. Oof. I'm really showing this much in this video. Alright, here we are. This is the Dodge vs Plymouth one. They're the same car. Oh! You're seeing this at the same time as I am. Look at how that frame just bends. It's just buckled. The roof is at a right angle. That's mad. Like, I can't believe it sometimes when I see the old cars were allowed to do that. Anyway, next up from that pretty bad crash, we've got a car that went by a million names. It's the 97 to 2005 Pontiac Transport / Montana. I'm reading this because there's so many. / Montana / Chevy Venture / Automobile Silhouette. So maybe some part sharing there. Definitely not complete blatant badge engineering. But hey, this is the bit you're all here for, so let's get into it. Alright. Again with the buckling. It just, the lack of structural rigidity. Like, I get it's like late 90s, but still, these cars went into the 2000s. By then, this just isn't acceptable. There's trim falling off from down the side of the car. Look! Look at how the driver's dead, like, look at it. Look, the seat. I am bewildered. I am bewildered. But yeah, that's that. Next up, we have America's finest, the Ford F-150. Mainly one from 97 to 2003, because as we know, F-150, America's finest pickup truck. But yeah, we don't get them in Europe. Most we get from Ford is the bloody Ranger. Rangers are alright, like, I know people with Rangers, they're nice. But hey, let's have a look at how well this monstrosity did. So, IIHS. Alright, that last just... Look at the door, it's hanging off. Also, you get to see all the people in the gallery above it. But that wheel's just gone straight into the pedal box. I am bewildered. I am shocked. No, and look at the back. Like, look at the half cab on the back. It's just gone. Again with the seats just completely destroying the driver. Talk about survival space. Yeah, so that's again one of the probably worst ones on here. Next up, we have possibly the oddest looking car ever made. The Toyota Previa, the 94 and 97 one. I've seen a few of these. Apparently, like, Japanese imports for like 6-7 seaters are very popular in the UK. I don't know why, just buy a van like me and my family. It's easier, and you don't have to import cars and you don't have to go through the import process. But anyway, getting on to the actual, bit anyone cares about, because no one actually cares about me, do they? We've got the preview crash test, again IIHS. Now, the frame doesn't buckle very much on that one, but you can see, like, it stops abruptly. That's the other side. The other cars were way too, flimsy. That one was too rigid, because the car just stops and you get flung forward. Oh, look at me trying to act like I know anything about this. Next up, the first of many Hyundais, the Hyundai Sonata. I got that right? Yeah, I got that right. It's the American Hyundais, they're all weird. So it's 99-1251, and it's North American Hyundais, and they all seem to be made of wet cardboard. Because, hey, you get so many weird Hyundais over there. Like, we got the Accent, and then we got, after the Accent, we got good cars, really. Apart from a few weird ones, but that's Hyundai for you. But hey, let's have a look at this one. Alright, so immediately, that thing was just... the way it just kind of hit just didn't look right. This is probably the worst video I've ever seen of it, because it's all, blocky. Look, it just smacked. Do you see the little, child doll's head in the back? Just go bang! Head bang like it's at a metal concert. Jesus. No, and look, it's in the air for a really long time. We saw it on the Panda, didn't we? In the previous video. Yeah, again, just with the abrupt hits. That's those pretensions must not be working back, if they even have them. We all know American regulations aren't that good. Also, I just hit myself in the ball. I'm going to need a second. Alright, that. Next up, we have the 01-06 Hyundai Elantra. Another Hyundai. What is up with American Hyundais? Let's have a look at this. Bang. Again with these cars flying in the airline. That's just rigid. The Hyundais have the same problems as the Fiats, where they're just up in the air. Do you guys curtain airbags? Oh, I guess it's 2001. My TT used to have curtain airbags. But still, they don't seem to be doing very much. They kind of just go out the window. I have seen we've done them too, but I'm using the IIHS ones for now. Up next is the final Hyundai on this list, hopefully, the 98 Accent. So, 98 Accent, finally the last Hyundai. Let's get into it. Wait, this is a Euro NCAP video too. Same thing, they were all sold everywhere. I'm just bewildered with that child dummy. Just... how? At that point, just let him fly through the windscreen, he'd probably survive better. And also, look, from certain angles, oh, there's not even a passenger airbag! Also, Euro NCAP do seem to get these angles. How long is this? This is only 50 seconds, that's alright. Ooh, look at a red one. Look, so Euro NCAP do seem to get a bit more thorough. But the entire boot lid just shifted. How? I am shocked. Alright, what do we have next? Alright, 98 to 2003 Chevy S10, or the GMC Sonoma, or the Isuzu Hombre, if I pronounced that right, I apologise. So, again, badge engineering at its finest. Americans try to claim they made everything. It's a Chevy S10, it's also a GMC, but it's somehow also an Isuzu. Anyway, let's have a look at this, because obviously it's badge engineering. Alright, it's fine, let's change the page. Yeah, so. That thing was flying. Wait, that looks really similar to my Grand Vitara and the Hilux at the same time. Oh, you probably know about this one because it's just folding off. This is famous. Oh my god. No, but look at it. It's folded in half. Oh my god, He hit the pillar. He hit the pillar. He hit the pillar. Look. Oh. Good thing these aren't real people. Well, people did buy these. I think I did. Anyway, 2 to go. Let's see what happens. Alright, so we've got the 96 to 97 Isuzu Rodeo, or the Honda Passport, or the Opel Frontera, or the Vauxhall Frontera if you're British like me. So hey, Vauxhall, your cars only sometimes catch fire. My nan has a thing to say about that. But how many brands can I claim to have one car? I swear to God. Alright, I've seen these. There was one back in primary school actually. When I used to go, I don't go to primary school anymore. How does the roof bend like that? How? I swear to God. How do you bend a roof like that? So, next up, final one. This is a special edition. This isn't off the list like the main list I was looking at. This is from a comment on some other lists online. The 95 to 2005 Cavalier. Apparently, it's known as the Cadavalier in the forensics industry. Isn't it lovely to find out a car that someone has a nickname in the industry where they clean up dead bodies? So, that's not a very good sign. Let's have a look and see if we can get some Cavalier action. There we go. Alright, offset front impact. Oh my! Oh, that's brutal! Did you see how that... This is why curtain airbags exist. Look at that! I thought the other one was bad, but... Like, damn it! The close-up's even worse. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. That's not what you want to see. So anyway, that's the end of this Grizzly video, but probably worse than the cars that we saw in the last one, somehow, apart from the Great Wall. Keep going, China. Oh, Landwind. Amazing company. But yeah, thanks for watching, like and all the stuff. Why did I just say Americans? Just YouTubers in general tell you to do at the end of videos, but also after videos. Have a good day. If you want to see more of my stuff, feel free, it'll be on the end card. But yeah, that's been me, Ben. I'm pretty sure if you've watched this far, then you want to get away from me forever. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! I don't know what I went to do there. I thought I could do a backflip, and then I thought, no, I can't do a backflip, and then I just kind of fell backwards. Mistakes were made. I do not regret any of them. I need to turn the camera off, don't I?